This is Felix doing tutorial number 14, the motor with inputs, and here it is. So first we have the motor connected to the motor drive with through these pins, and then we have pins 6, 5, and 4 going into the motor drive to control the direction and speed. And then we have the motor drive going to ground to the black wire, and it also has it has 5 volts and 3.3 volts going into it through the red wire and the green wire. And for the potentiometer, we have it going through the red wire into it with 3.3 volts, and then going to ground through this black wire, and then it goes into pin 0. And for this light switch, we have it being powered by 3.3 volts to this array going into it, and then going to ground to the black wire, and then we have the white wire going into pin 10. And this allows us to control the motor and its direction. And here's the coding for the tutorial number 14, the basic. So first we set DRIB A and B to a constant, which will be connected to pin 5 and 4. Then the PW will be connected to pin 6. Then we set the slide switch to be pin 10 and the potentiometer connected to pin 0. Then we set those 3 as outputs and the slide switch as an input. In the void loop, we first set an electrical speed that will be the analog read from the potentiometer divided by 4. And if the digital read from a switch is equal to high, it will do the 4 speed, and if it's anything else, it will be the reverse speed. So for the forward speed, we first set this so that it will go in a specific direction with the speed from the potentiometer. And then for the reverse speed, we set this to go to the reverse speed, and we set that to the speed from the potentiometer. And here is the modified. As you can see, I added 2 LEDs to tell the direction of the motor, and the first LED is connected to pin 13, the other one is connected to pin 12, and pin 13 and 12 go into the LEDs and then go to ground through the black wire. So if I turn up the speed, you can hear it, and then I switch direction. And here is the coding for modified tutorial number 14. First, as you can see, I added pin 13 and 12 as outputs, and in the if loop, in the void forward, so I added so that it will turn on the LED, and after it's done, it will turn off pin at the LED number 13. And then for the reverse, it will turn on the LED number 12 and then turn it off when it's done.